Hello everyone, welcome to Upload channel and latest government updates in English. So one more good opportunity for all the engineers and MSc candidate all over India from TSPSC, that is Telangana State PSC. Okay, for the position of Polytechnic lecturer they are recruiting and total vacancies are 204. Salary approximately 12.3 lakh CTC you will get. If you complete your BE Tech in Civil, Electrical, Electronics Communication, Telecommunication, Electronics, Electrical Electronics, Chemical, then Electronics and Instrumentation, Mechanical and Metallurgy, then you are eligible for this recruitment. And if you complete your MSc in Physics, Chemistry and Geology, then also you are eligible. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video. So first important point is you should have 60% aggregate in your BE Tech and BSc for MSc guys. Okay, if you are from General, OBC and EWS, and for SST PWD 55% aggregate you should have. Posting will be anywhere in Telangana state because obviously it is the recruitment of Telangana, so you will get anywhere posting in Telangana only. Okay, exam center list is given, so I will show you in few seconds. Then process, this is the direct recruitment. Only they will conduct your CBT, that is computer based test, or your offline paper also they can test. Okay, it's up to you them. So based on that only they will select you for the position of Polytechnic lecturer. Okay, then exam center in front of you, and this is tentative list. They may increase or decrease it depend on number of applications. So Hyderabad, then Karimnagar, then Kwamam, Hanumakanunda and Nizamabad. Okay, now we'll see branch wise and categorized breakdown. Okay, so in this table basically OC is general, that is open, and all over India candidates are eligible only for this column. Okay, and other thing like EWS, BC, BCA, BC, SC, ST, PH, sports quota, it will be only applicable for Telangana state candidates. So all the reservation benefit in age and in whatever they will just give to only Telangana state only. Okay, so for chemical there is one vacancy, and that one vacancy is reserved for women. So those who are women candidate, you all over India you can apply under OC. Okay, then this civil, for civil basically total 82 vacancies are there, and all the categorized breakdown you can see in front of you. Then for electrical and electronics, those who complete degree, BE Tech in electrical and electronics, you are eligible for this and you can apply to this. 24 vacancies are there and categorized you can see here. For electronics and communication, so those who complete BE Tech in electronics, telecommunication, communication, you are eligible for this post, and here 41 vacancies are there total. For electronics and instrumentation, for women candidate all over India, one vacancy is there, and yes, only one vacancy is there for this. Okay, now electronics and instrumentation student can apply for electronics communication also, because yes, it is equivalent to that, so you can apply for that also, other student. Last for mechanical, total 36 vacancies are there, and you can see the categorized breakdown. Okay, for open, that is for all over India, there is vacancy 6 plus 2, 8 vacancy for general, and 4 vacancies are reserved for women candidate all over India. Metallurgy also total 5 vacancies are there, out of which 1 vacancy is for general all over India, and women candidate 2 vacancies, and other things like reservation is given to only Telangana state. For MSc in geology, if you just 1 vacancy is there for women candidate all over India. Okay, and for chemistry also there are total 8 vacancies, and last is your physics, for total 5 vacancies are there all over India plus Telangana state reservation. Next is about age limit. So age limit cutoff it is 1st July 2022. Okay, it is just important to note down. Age limit is 44 for general, EWS, and for BC 49, SST also 49, PWD 54 for all. Now for general means all over India candidates, your age limit should be 44. Okay, so it is applicable for all over India candidate, and other reservation benefits it will be given to only Telangana state candidates. So if you are from OBC, SC, ST from all over India, then you need to apply only in general category. Form will start on 14th of December and it will end on 4th January 2023, and your exam is scheduled tentatively in May or June. Okay, fees will be 320 rupees for all the candidate. So yes, this is all about your TSPSC. So now after giving selection in UPPSC Polytechnic lecturer, I will target Telangana state, and the next video will be your form filling, and before that I will try to upload your strategy video and everything we will discuss in this channel. Okay, so just do not forget to join our Telegram, which is most important. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding this notification, regarding any recruitment, then you can comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram also. All the best.